Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this rustic industrial style L-shaped desk that I'm about to put together. And so I just basically want to show you guys all the pieces as I brought everything out. So in case you are shopping this particular desk, you know exactly what you're getting into, right? So these are all the parts right here. You can see this is the cubby style drawer that is pretty easy to put together. It's really just this piece right here, and it can collapse inward, right? And it's the same thing for this side pouch that's going to be on the side of the desk. These parts right here will make up the hutch, and then everything else basically makes up the L-shaped desk. So those metal pieces right there are the legs that go on the side. These right here is the L-shaped desk right here. So this is one part of the desk, the shorter one. This one over here is a longer one. You can see the notch in the top right there. That's where the power strip is gonna go, and that's the power strip right there. This right here is a shelf, and then you have the rest of the metal pieces that are going to go onto the desk. These are also shelves as well. Over here we have all of the hardware parts. You can see that they are all individually organized and packaged, which is a major plus, because that means that you don't have to do any organizing yourself, because that means that you don't have to do any of the organizing yourself before the assembly starts. And these right here are the LED strips, and here's a remote control where you can control all the colors and all the functions of the LED lighting system. And last but not least, here is the instruction manual, and it does give you the instructions for both orienting the desk in an L shape, and it also gives you instructions if you want to have the desk just be just a straight line basically and not an L shape. So it doesn't look like there's too many pieces here. This should probably take me maybe a couple of hours to put together. I am going to use an electric drill, which is definitely going to help expedite the process, but it does come with a screwdriver and an Allen key in case you don't have your own tools. And if you do use manual tools, it is going to take you a little bit longer, but so far so good. Everything looks good. Nothing came damaged. I do have my work cut out for me, so I'm going to show you guys the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this rustic industrial style L-shaped desk that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembly is that this desk is awesome. So let's quickly look at the desk, see what it has to offer. So in case you are shopping this desk or some other desk, you can make a more informed purchasing decision, right? So this is an L-shaped desk that actually has the option of being an L desk like you see here, or a straight desk, right? So we opted for the L-shaped desk, and looks really nice. So underneath this shelf right here is the LED strip. So if I just put my finger on it like that, you can see that that's where the LED strip is placed underneath. It does have an adhesive on the bottom of it, so that's how it's stuck to the bottom of that shelf. However, if you don't want this shelf right here, there's also the option of having that shelf placed on this level. So you'll have this top shelf right here, and then you'll also have another shelf right here. So there's a lot of different options for this desk, and I think that's a major plus. So on the side here is a small sort of cubby storage where you can put papers and different files for you to stay organized. And on this side here you have a pull-out drawer, which is also cloth or cubby style. Very easy to put together, very low maintenance, so I like that. And on the sides of the desk they have these two hooks where you can put like your bag, or you can put like headphones and anything like that, so you can keep that right next to your desk. Now in terms of the metal, it is very strong and durable. So I think the combination of the rustic brown and the industrial metal really comes together on this desk. So I like what I see. The structure is very firm. It's got the metal X design on the back for the aesthetic and for structural purposes as well. And on the bottom they have these levelers here, so if you happen to be on an uneven floor, or maybe some part of the desk seems to be wobbly, just find the part of the desk that's wobbly, and then you would just twist the levelers in order for the desk to hit the ground. Now in this back corner here is this power strip, and it's got 2 USB ports, and then it has 4 3-prong outlets, and underneath it, that's where you can see the cord coming out, and you can just plug that right into the outlet and you're good to go. Now here's the remote control. You can control all of the different features of the LED lights right from here. So this is the on-off button. If you want to turn that off, go ahead and turn that back on. If you want to change the different colors, so say for example if you just want to keep it on red, you hit that one. Here's yellow. It's more of like a greenish yellow. This one is a darker green. This one is a light blue. This one is more of a darker, richer blue. And then this one is more of like a purple violet. And you can change the different modes if you wanted to kind of alternate, right? So it's kind of changing different colors here. If you want to change the speed up so it goes a little bit faster, you can do that. right? If you want to change up the color, you can just use that right from here, and it goes through all the different color variations, the different modes. So you can come here and play with this a little bit. You can change the brightness as well. Okay, if you want it to be a little brighter red, darker red, green, whatever the case may be, you can control it all from here. Very easy to kind of get accustomed to, and so yeah, make sure you hold on to this. So the assembly took me a couple of hours to put together, and it was pretty straightforward. All of the hardware parts were individually bagged and organized, so I didn't have to do any of that myself. I just grabbed the parts that I needed and kept it moving. Also, the instruction manual is pretty well put together. I didn't run into any snags or any confusions of that sort. So I also did use a drill, which definitely helped to expedite the process, but it does come with Allen keys and screwdrivers and all the tools that you need to put it together. So if you're gonna use manual tools, it could probably take you maybe around 3 hours, maybe a little bit more, but I wouldn't let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this desk because it's really, really, really nice. But overall, I really like this desk. I like the industrial style and the rustic sort of vibes kind of mesh together. I think it's a really, really good aesthetic. It's a very structurally sound desk. It comes in L shape. You can also straighten it out. So there's a lot of good features in this desk. I highly recommend this desk. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.